Just in time for back to school, they came out with this cool new L-shaped desk, perfect for gamers. Let's look at the details. First thing we got to look at is the LED lights. They go all around this secondary shelf, and you can change the colors right here on this little switch. You can go for multiple colors, and you can even put it on a flashing pattern if you want to have a little bit of fun with it. So the desk comes in this L-shaped pattern. It's super easy to assemble. You've got hooks here on the side for your headphones. You've got this secondary monitor shelf all the way around, so that way you can set your monitors up exactly how you want to, or your books for studying, right? Your books for studying. And over here, you've got this separate console. So great place to hold your router, your books, your office supplies. You've got the shelf that extends all the way to the end, shelf right here, and then this little drawer, it's actually kind of massive as far as fitting things in here. It's got the fabric side, so it is collapsible, but they put that same wood panel look front on the front of it, so that way it really blends in with the rest of the desk. They did include a rolling tower stand that matches the finish of the rest of the desk. Let me turn on the light so that way you can see the actual color of the finish here. It's a nice gray wood pattern. You are really gonna love this one. They are running some nice specials for these for back to school, so if you want to grab your L-shaped study desk or gamer desk, I'm gonna put the link for you right down here in the video so you can.